Hello, today I want to show you how to add materials to your scene. First, we need to add node to the scene. For this, we go to the file, Append. Select the folder with nodes. Open the material presets file. Open material folder. Select all material. And click the Append button. After we have attached all the material, we can use any of them to create a new one. Also, we can create a new material, name it new metal, and let's create a simple material by adding the base nodes here. Shift+A, group, easy material base. Next, let's add easy mask node and easy scatter damage. For a quick node view, I use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Right mouse button on node with Node Wrangler add-on. Okay, now I quickly set up the material and let's move next. Now let's use the second method for adding node. Let's create this in a new file. Go straight to the shading window. Go to the Edit, References, Add-ons. We need to find Unknown Node preset. Now add the folder where our nodes are located. Now in the shader editor window, if we press Shift+A at the end of the list, a tab will appear which will contain all our nodes. Now I create new material with node preset add-on. Thank you for your attention. I hope this video useful for you.